Hello, I thought I'd make this quick video about laying a tongue and groove floor. This is blue pine. Some people call it blue and buggy. And I've done this before, but it's been years ago, so I've kind of forgotten how to do it. But this particular floor, you can see it's OSB, was not level. I'm sure these old logs have settled. And so, especially along the edges, and then right here in the middle too, and then really a lot over here. So I found that you could get this material it's a self-leveling material called Henry. I like this brand. It was more affordable than some of the others. And, oh, we have a visitor. Hey, get out of here. I just I mixed it to about the consistency of a thin pancake mix. It's not like cement, and it sets up really quick. So you want it thin enough that it will flow, but not so thin enough that it just goes everywhere. So I use that to just feather it out on the edges. I got some new tracks, it looks like, in here. And it worked great. That worked really, really good. The thing that I'm struggling with, and you see I've got this underlayment too, that's important, is this wood that I got. It's really warped. It came from a local, like, mom and pop mill. I think they might be new at it. But it's warped. It's warped in every direction. It's warped on this, like it wobbles around on the sides. It's bowed. It's just been really a struggle. So I've had to use like a crowbar to kind of pull it into place. I've been using this. And this nail gun, which is great, works really good. It's this gun I got from Harbor Freight many years ago. I know they still make them, and it shoots these little cleat nails. They've been, I don't know, they seem to hold really well. But how you do it, if you haven't done it before, is you put that little groove, metal, right in the groove where you're gonna, and you get it real flat. I put my foot back here on this part, just hold it in place. And then this little knob right here, you just wanna take your rubber mallet that you've been using to kind of tap the wood into place. In my case, a crowbar to get it in place. And then you just want to tap this, just give it a good pound and it will shoot the nail. So anyway, that's what I've been doing. And I'm going to end up having to use a lot of putty for the places that this didn't go tight. And I'm sure there's other ways to do this, but normally, when I've done this before, I did a huge area and it all went together really well. So I'm going to blame it on the not so great tongue and groove. And next time I buy this, I'm going to look at every single piece. I'm not going to just let them say, here you go, load it in my truck, and hope it all goes together well. I'm going to look at every single piece and make sure it's level, it's not warped, it's not doing a dance. So yeah, that's what I'd recommend. Don't learn the hard way like I did, but I'll get it to work. I'm going to seal it with linseed oil, and the next project will be in the spring, which will be putting in a nice double pane window, getting rid of this old wavy thing that's probably been here for 50 years. So anyway, I hope that's helpful, because I couldn't find anything on YouTube for what I'm doing now with this tongue and groove, this type of tongue and groove. I've seen the more manufactured store-bought stuff, but not this. So anyway, hope it's helpful.